Hi, baby. Hi, honey. What's that? Is it a bike?
Yeah. You want to try it?
Is it a bike for you?
Sit on it.
There you go. Oh. Oh.
Hold on.
Can you reach the pedals?
Did you pedal? How far away? Try pedaling. Go far. Push down.
There you go. You like it? What is that, Reese?
What is it?
Oh, she wants to push. Is it a bike?
It's going to be for outside though, okay?
I'm gonna take it outside.
Gentle, that's not for standing. Okay, go get your diaper changed, okay?